How to fast forward on a YouTube TV. YouTube TV allows fast forwarding during DVR recordings and on-demand content. Here's how to fast forward on various devices. Step number 1, open a YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Sign in to your Google account if needed. Step number 2, start watching content. Go to the Library, Home, or Live tab. Select a recorded show, movie, or on-demand video. Step number 3, use the remote control or app controls. Smart TV/streaming device remote. Press the right arrow or fast forward button on your remote. Press multiple times to increase the speed, usually skips 15-second intervals. Game console controller. Use the right trigger, RT, or similar button. Mobile app or web browser. Tap the screen while watching. Tap the fast forward icon on the player controls. Step number 4, use the seek bar, optional. Smart TVs and web browsers. Use the seek bar at the bottom of the screen. Drag the progress bar forward to skip ahead. Step number 5, skip ads for DVR recordings only. Skip through commercials. If you're watching a recorded show, use fast forward to skip ads. Look for ad break markers if supported. Important notes: no fast forward for live TV. Fast forwarding is not available for live TV unless you pause and resume playback. Ads supported on-demand content. Ads cannot be skipped when watching on-demand content unless stated otherwise. DVR advantage. Use unlimited DVR storage to record shows and fast forward through them later.